I'm Stephanie Russo. I'm a pediatric hand and peripheral nerve surgeon here at Nationwide Children's Hospital. I always liked the musculoskeletal system and anatomy, figuring out how things worked, and really liked the ability to be able to make a change that has a positive impact on kids' lives. Getting on their level is important, explaining to them that we're going to be doing a procedure that's going to help their hand function better. I wanted to come to Nationwide Children's Hospital because it's one of the best children's hospitals in the country. There's so many resources here, including the motion analysis lab, which is a big part of the research that I do to understand what's happening. Not every children's hospital has a motion analysis lab. We're very fortunate. We have 2 labs and are building out a 3rd lab. We are really the leaders in motion analysis for the upper extremity. It uses a 3D camera system. It's the same type of technology that's used to make video games and movies. We put markers on the kids that represent how their bones are moving, and we can use that as a tool for clinical decision making to help us decide what procedure is going to be best for that child. The look on a kid's face when they see their new hand for the first time, or a parent when their kid can give them a hug for the first time in their life, and moments like that that are a true privilege to be a part of.